I'm not gonna even complain, man.
But we got a whole new supervisor and everything, man. I done told him about the truck. I said, man, I'm still having a problem with the truck, man. The battery and that bench, not cooperative with me. He said, man, what's going on with the battery? I said, I told him everything about the battery. He said, man, the corporate don't want to change it on. I said, no. He said, man, he said, it's messed up, man. He said, I'm gonna call him.
Yeah.
He said, do what you gotta do. But I said, I can't sit here and I can't complain.
Can't complain, right?
I ain't worried about it.
Right. Crank it up. I met a guy the other day, man, worked for Utility Quest. He was from New York. He said, man, yeah, there we go. He said, man, he told me, I think he said he drove from Florida. That's what he told me, he drove from Florida. He was in Denham. And he said, he was driving some other kind of pick. He said, man, I said, man, I got a friend of mine. I said, I help him out probably once a week or at least once every 2 weeks. He said, man, if that keep going on with my truck, man, I'm gonna tell him, man, give him my old truck back.
It's the same thing, that battery down on.
Yep.
I can't, if I'm on side of the road, I can't have the strobe light on and my flashes on. Cause if I leave, walk down the road, would do a ticket and come back, my truck can be dead as door.
It's crazy, bro.
So and then they complain about it. They was like, oh man, you know, it's not very safe. I said, well, safe is not when my truck down side the road.
Right. That's not safe.
Yeah, cause they said, man, especially on a morning like this, if I had my stuff on and then my truck dead and there's foggy out here, and I can't see me, it's where I'm gonna kiss the side of the truck. I mean,
and it's foggy out there, bro. I'm telling you, it's foggy out there, man. I gotta go all the way to Mississippi right now, man. It's like, I hope the fogging is bad, cause in Baton Rouge it wasn't bad.
You got any updates on your truck? On your truck on the case or no? I see you in the rental.
I'm still in the rental, man. I ain't heard nothing from them yet. I'm not stressing though, cause I mean every day they don't call, they just add up on their ticket. They gotta pay for it. I mean, dude was that wrong, so ain't no way he pulled out in front of me. He come out of a blind spot and he ain't see me, and so I mean, I'm not stressing over it. Like I say, every day they don't call, that's on them.